In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage store languages in Prestashop. If you're running an international online store, accommodating multiple languages can be crucial for reaching a broader audience and enhancing user experience. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps of managing your store languages easily and efficiently. Let's start by heading over to your Prestashop admin login page. This is where you will enter your shop domain followed by admin URL in your browser. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Ensure that your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. Once entered, click on the login button and you should be redirected to your Prestashop back office dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing your online store, including languages. Now, directing our attention to the sidebar, find and click on the Settings tab. Under this section, click on International. This area of the dashboard is dedicated to handling various international settings for your store. Once you've accessed the international section, you'll want to click on Translations. This is where we'll add or update the languages available on your site. In the translation section, look for the Add Update a Language option. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down list of all available languages. Take your time to go through the list and choose the language you want to add to your store. Once selected, click on Add or Update a Language. This will implement the selected language into your store's system. Next, it's important to navigate to the localization section. Here you'll be able to set your default store language. This setting dictates the primary language customers will see when they first visit your site and can be crucial for ensuring your store caters to your main audience effectively with standardized greetings and information. Remember, once you're satisfied with your language configurations, locate the Save button. Clicking it will ensure all your changes are stored and applied, maintaining consistency across your shop's various pages and media. The final step involves clicking on Languages under the same international section. Here you can enable or disable the listed languages according to your preference. Enabling multiple languages allows your customers to navigate through your shop in their preferred language, greatly enhancing their shopping experience. Additionally, if you prefer, you can delve further to translate your content directly. This includes adding translations to products and pages, ensuring that your message is conveyed accurately to your international audience. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to manage store languages within Prestashop. By following these steps, you can ensure your store is accessible and welcoming to a globally diverse audience. Thank you for watching and happy selling.